Hello, I am Dr. Rajshree Chatterjee, Associate Professor, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Jagannath University, Jaipur.
Hello everyone, let's discuss the 5 year plans of India. The concept of economic planning in India is derived from Russia, then USSR. India has launched 12 5 year plans so far. Although in this present India government has stopped the formation of these 5 year plans and now it has been converted into Niti Aayog. First 5 year plan was launched in 1951. Now the present NDA government has stopped the formation of these 5 year plans. So 12th 5 year plan would be called the last 5 year plan of India. Let's start discussing the quick highlights of all the 5 year plans. Let's start with the very first one. First 5 year plan. I'm going to discuss at least 4 key highlights of every 5 year plan. So here in the first 5 year plan, it was made for the duration of 1951 to 1956. It was based on Harrod-Domar model. Its main focus was on the agricultural development of the country. And this plan was successful and achieved growth rate of 3.6%, more than its target. During the second 5 year plan, it was made for the duration of 1956 to 1961. It was based on the PC Mahalanobis model. Its main focus was on industrial development of the country. This plan was also successful and achieved a growth rate of 4.1%. The third 5 year plan, it was made for the duration of 1961 to 1966. This plan is also called Gadgil Yojana. The main target of this plan was to make economy independent and to reach self-active position of takeoff. But due to China war, this plan could not achieve its growth target of 5.6%. Now let's discuss the programs by the Government of India. The fourth plan, which is also known as, during this time, it was called Plan Holiday. The duration of the Plan Holiday was from 1966 to 69. The main reason behind the Plan Holiday was Indo-Pak War and the failure of third plan. That is why this plan was made for only 3 years. During this plan, annual plans were made and equal priority was given to agriculture, its allied sectors, and the industry sector. Now let's discuss the fourth 5 year plan. Its duration was from 1969 to 1974. There were 2 main objectives of this plan, that is growth with stability and progressive achievement of self-reliance. During this plan, the slogan of Garibi Hatao by the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi has been given during the elections of 1971. This plan was failed and it was considered to be one of the super flop plans as it could not achieve the growth rate of even 3.3%, only against the target of 5.7%. The next plan is fifth 5-year plan. Its duration was from 1974 to 1979. In this plan, top priority was given to agriculture. Next came to industry and mines. Overall, this plan was successful, which achieved the growth rate of 4.8% against the target of 4.4%. The draft of this plan was prepared and launched by D.P. Dhar. This plan was terminated in 1978 due to the loss of elections, and during this time the emergency period has also been served. Next plan was rolling plan. This plan was started with an annual plan for 1978 and 79 and as a continuation of the terminated fifth year plan. The sixth 5-year plan, its duration was from 1980 to 1985. The basic objective of this plan was poverty eradication and technological self-reliance. It was based on investment yojana, infrastructural changing, and trend to growth model. Its growth target was 5.2%, but it achieved 5.7%. Now let's discuss the seventh 5-year plan. Its duration was from 1985 to 1990. Objectives of this plan include the establishment of the self-sufficient economy, opportunities for productive employment, and for the first time the private sector got the priority over public sector. Its growth target was 5%, but it achieved 6%. Another important highlight of annual plans is 8th 5-year plan could not take place due to volatile political situation at the center. So, 2 annual programs are formed in 1990 to 91 and from 91 to 92. Now, lastly, discuss 8th 5-year plan. Its duration was from 1992 to 1997. In this plan, the top priority was given to development of the human resources, that is, employment, education, and public health. During this plan, Narasimha Rao government launched new economic policy of India. This plan was successful and got annual growth rate of 6.8% against the target of 5.6%. Now let's discuss the 9th 5-year plan. Its duration was from 1997 to 2002. The main focus of this plan was growth with justice and equity. It was launched in the 50th year of independence of India. This plan failed to achieve the growth target of 7%, and growth rate was only at the rate of 5.6%. The highlights of the 10th 5-year plan are as follows. Its duration was from the year 2002 to 2007. This plan aims to double the per capita income of India in the next 10 years. It aims to reduce the poverty ratio from 15% by 2012. Its growth rate was 8.8%, but it achieved only 7.2%. Let's discuss the 11th 5-year plan. Its duration was from 2007 to 2012. It was prepared by C. Rangarajan. Its main theme was faster and more inclusive growth. Its growth rate target was 8.1%, but it only achieved 7.9%. Let's discuss the 12th 5-year plan and the last 5-year plan. Its duration is from 2012 to 2017. Its main theme is faster, more inclusive, and sustainable growth. Its growth rate target is 8%, and it is the current last 5-year plan of India. So before I finish this topic, let's conclude. This entire topic gives students the idea that how we have initiated the development and economic plan of our country through these 5-year plan strategy. And later on with stages how it evolved and how the country has achieved the growth rate over the period of time. It has also highlighted that how India, with its 5-year plans policy, converting from agricultural economy to an industrial economy, and later on to a more faster, inclusive and sustainable growth. So here with this topic, I would like to say that maybe the 5-year plans have ended and that have been converted into Niti Aayog, but this topic will give you an idea on how the economic strategy of the country has been made through 5-year plans. Thank you so much.